Hi friends! Before we start building with Google AI Studio, I have an exciting announcement. If you want to join our coding class, just send me a message on Telegram with this account, Cat with Bitcoin. I'll help you level up your developing skills. I will be happy to see you in the class. Now, let's jump into code. Hey guys, how are you? Today, we are gonna make a snake game with Google AI Studio. So first we make a folder in my desktop and I call it snake. And we want to have 3 files and use 3 files to make this a snake game. So I open my Git bash to create these files with command prompt. So I created with touch command, touch index.html, touch style.css, and touch code.js or script.js. So we have these 3 files. I open this folder in VS Code to see these files in VS Code. And now we are gonna using Google AI Studio to make these files to perform as a snake game. So we go to Google AI Studio to make this prompt. I make it bigger to see the prompt easier, and I wanna write I want a snake game. I want a snake game. I want the snake, the ground. I want the ground to be grid. So I want the grid ground. Okay. And also the snake is consists of cells in the ground. Okay, the head of a snake should be green, and the body of the snake should be red, or for example blue or purple. Okay, so I want to be able to move the snake with arrow keys. I want to be able to move the snake with arrow keys or with WASD keys. Okay. I want the apple appear in the ground with yellow color. So if the snake eat the apple, or maybe red color. I think red is better because I think, okay, yellow or red, no problem. Yellow color. If the snake eat the apple, it should get one length longer, and also it should get 10 points. Okay, for every 5 apples eaten by the snake, it should the special gift with 100 points should appear in the ground with pulsing effect. So you should see the special gift with 100 points should appear in the ground with pulsing effect. Yeah. And I should say, give me the code in index.html, okay, style.css, and code.js. Yeah, this is my prompt, and I use this prompt to build my snake game. I copy this because maybe later we need this prompt. So, and I press run the prompt, and I zoom out to see more space in Google AI Studio. And now we're gonna see what output we can get with this amazing AI. Google AI Studio uses Gemini 3, okay? As you can see, the Google AI Studio uses Gemini 3 Pro preview, and you can freely run it and use it. So let's see what we get. Amazing. Yeah, we get index.html, style.css, and code.js. Let's copy the files. Yeah, this is my index.html file, as you can see here. I copy this and put it in my index.html. Yeah, as you can see, we have style.css in the link tag and code.js in a script tag at the bottom of the body in our HTML file. And now we're gonna copy style.css. The style.css is the style of our snake game, how we look, the coloring and other stuff. Now we're gonna copy the code.js. This is all our logic of our snake game, and we're gonna paste it in the code.js. Now we have a style.css, index.html, and code.js. All of the codes we needed to run the snake game. So let's open the index.html. This is my snake game. Okay, this is great. And now this is my snake game. I can press W to start the game and ASD to move our snake in different direction. And also we can use the arrow keys, okay? Up arrow, bottom arrow, left and right. And now let's go eat the apple. Okay, the head of the snake is green and the body is purple. Oh, okay, we hit the wall. Okay, we should start from this beginning. Okay, now let's eat the apple perfectly. Okay, amazing. For every 5 apples eaten by the snake, it should appear the special gift. Now let's eat the 5, and this is the special gift. Okay. Oh yeah. But now, as you can see, when the special gift appear, okay, there's no apple. Let's look together. Let's look again. Okay. Let's look again. Now I eat 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4, and 5. So let's see, when I don't eat the special gift, what happens? So it don't fade out, it don't go away. It waits until I eat it, okay? But I don't want to be this. I want my special gift have limited time, okay? Have, for example, 5 seconds to eat the special gift. And if after 5 seconds I don't eat the special gift should gone. Also, the special gift should not remove the new apple in the ground. So the other things I want to do is that I want to pause the game with a space key, because now I cannot pause the game. I should always play the game. There is no pause, but I want to have a pause key. So let's correct this program. Now we go to Google AI Studio. Now let's add other prompts. I want a special gift. Have limited time for 5 seconds. Also, the special gift should not remove the new apple from the ground, or should not prevent appearing the new apple from the ground. Also, I want be able to pause the game with a space key. So now, as you can see, we improve our game with new features. And at the last of the prompt, we say, give me the full corrected code. And this piece of prompt make sure that it rewritten the all files, okay, index.html, space, style.css, and code.js. This piece of code ensure that it rewritten all the files, all the stuff we have. So we append this prompt to our things we did up to now. Okay, we append this prompt to create new features to fix our requirements. Okay, so now it gives me all the things, all the files we need: index.html, style.css, and code.js. Let's wait till it gives me all the codes, and then copy each files and paste it in the correct file in my VS Code, which is opening this folder. Okay, now let's go to index.html. We copy index.html again and paste it here. We copy style.css and paste it here in style.css, and we copy code.js, which is all the logic of our snake game. So this is all the logic of our snake game. And now, after rewritten all the files, I open a snake game again. But there is a problem. When I open the snake game, it immediately says game over. Okay, this is a bug. This is an issue. We should fix this. So okay, I say there is an issue in the code. When I open the snake game, it immediately says that game over. It should not behave like this. Fix the code, fix the issue, and give me the full corrected code. Okay, now let's see what was wrong in the code. It should not behave like that. The snake game, I can't play the snake game. Okay, I can't play the snake game. It immediately says game over, which is real bad issue. And now we get a new code from Google AI Studio. Let's see what we get. I think the main issue is code.js file. The main issue is code.js because it's all the logic, and this is the logic issue. So the style.css and index.html is not changed so much, but we rewrite it with all other files. We rewrite index.html and we rewrite style.css And now the main issue should be in code.js, and we copy code.js file. Okay, we copy it and paste it in the code.js. And now here we open the index.html file. Okay, we fixed the issue. And now by W key I played. With a space key I can pause the game. Okay, let's look it. With the space key I pause the game. And now I have eaten 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Okay, now we have the special gift and we have the apple also. Okay, and now we have the special gift again. But now if I don't eat the special gift for 5 seconds, the special gift should gone away, and now it works as I want it. Okay, I want when I don't eat the special gift for 5 seconds, it just fade away. I don't want to appear the special gift for more than 5 seconds. And now we eat it. And now we get 100 points. Okay, the game is now works well. My space key pause the game, and by pressing a space key again, I can resume the game. So it's a good snake game with the grid layout, with the green head, purple body, red apple, and cyan color special gift. And if you don't eat the special gift for 5 seconds, it fades away. It's amazing, it's great, just as we want. With WSD key, we can move the snake in different direction or with the arrow keys. So this is very great snake game. And I pause it now, and this is the end of video.